i35equipment.com. This is the Caterpillar 320 CL hydraulic track excavator. Runs, operates, looks great. Does have that full cab, factory HVAC, 4 working front work lights, bolt-on side guards. Welcome you to come look at her for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though. Please give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. Welcome you to bring your mechanic and operator or hire some locomotives to accompany you. If you'd like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website. We'd be happy to look into that for you. Good digging power. This machine also has switchable control patterns, so no matter who the operator is, they'll be comfortable running it. It does have dual travel speeds. We'll go check out this bucket, let him climb out, and then we'll hop up in the cab there and show you what the inside looks like. Dick does have this weld-on thumb bracket. However, a thumb did not come in on it. If you'd like a thumb, we have plenty available. You can probably see them over there by our thumb area. Check out our website for pricing on those. I'm going to zoom out to the fisheye lens, give you a better view of the interior. May distort it a little bit, but give you a good view here. Does have this travel pedal. If you need to go a long ways, traveling across the field or anything, I'm sure it's nice. Working horn. Here's your digital display. Factory HVAC. We got turned off because it's pretty cool out here today, but it is currently working. Back here's your cat radio. Let's check it out. Go ahead and preset it for you. As always, you can see our full current up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Give us a call, shoot us a text, 405-833-6437. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.